Can you hear the brakes? When you step on the brakes, they squeak. If you go to a repair shop, guess how much they might overcharge you. It's not cheap or easy to fix, but at the shop they'll charge hundreds or even thousands. Isn't that taking advantage of us? Today I'll explain to everyone how to fix these car noises properly. Learn this and you won't get ripped off at the shop again. First, turning the wheel makes a creaking noise. Replace the flat axle bearing, $80. Second, at high speeds, there's a buzzing sound. Replace the wheel bearing, $120. Third, when turning, the chassis rattles. Replace the outer ball joint, $90. Fourth, over speed bumps, there's a crunch. Replace balance bar bushings, $15. Fifth, when the engine's running, there's a squeaking noise inside. Apply some water to this belt. The noise stops immediately. Tighten the belt a bit. Problem solved right away. Sixth, on cement roads, it sounds like drumming. Replace shock absorber core, $120. Seventh, stepping on the brakes causes squeaking, and the brake pads are still thick. Find an open area and apply some brake grease. Costs nothing, fixes it instantly. See? Isn't it simple? Follow for daily car tips.